If you're an independent pool store and you decide to join Poolwerx, the areas that you're going to be struggling with today, you're going to be struggling with marketing. Marketing is so complex today and getting more and more complex with the introduction of digital marketing. There is no way that an independent pool store, any independent pool owner, can keep up with marketing, can be across all of marketing, and in particular across digital marketing, social media marketing. It tends to be the last thing you turn your mind to at the end of the day after you've got home, counted the money, had dinner and sat down, and you're too tired to do it. So making sure that marketing is making the phone ring, is making people come into your store, is making people go to your website and book a service. So very, very important. The other thing, I suppose, is supply chain. Today, the complexities of supply chain and having a quality supplier at the right price who's giving you the right training and support, it's too hard for an independent business to get that buying power and negotiation that a bigger organisation can give. So supply chain is a challenge for people. Training. Very hard in an independent business to give a career path for your staff, to develop your staff, recruit your staff and develop your staff, retain your staff so that you can actually own a business and step away from the business. Too many people are prisoners of their own business because their people keep leaving. I think one of the big challenges is having good training. I mean, young people today will stay with you if they've got training and they've got career paths. So there are a few of the big ones that independents are looking for. They're looking for marketing to bring clients through the door. They're looking for good supply chain management. They're looking for great training for the staff and themselves. And they're looking for systems that create simplicity in their business in the back of house. So having a great enterprise point of sale system that means that you press the button on that computer and it helps you run your business very efficiently and digitally every day. So they're the four major things. Now, as an independent, you can't do that. In a franchise system, because we've got the combined resources, we've developed all of those things and many more over 25 years. Somebody joining us gets access to all of those so they can take a breath and take their business forward again.